my channel. Now in this video I want to show you how you can withdraw your expire to your Bybit. Now, like we all know, expire is listing on 24th of October, as you can see here clearly the listing, and now you can connect to Bybit, to OKX, Bybit, BitGet, EB Exchange, and all. So I'll be using Bybit. So all you have to do is to click on Bybit Exchange, click on Bybit Exchange, then you click on yes, I have. Yes, I have. Then after that, you will see where you have to put your your ID and the likes. So you put your ID, Bybit ID, X and memo. So now let's head on to Bybit to see how to do that. Now on Bybit, this is what you will find. So you come to assets, here. Just follow the steps, come to assets, then you click on deposit here. Then you click on deposit crypto. Then of course you search for X. Just type X. Then you click on done. Then you scroll up, so you see it here. So you click on it, you choose the network as done. Okay, click on OK. So this is the information you need. So this is the wallet address, and this is the memo. So you copy them, you go back to so you copy the address, you paste it here, you go back to Bybit, copy the memo and paste it, you copy the memo, you paste it here. So to get the UID, you go to Bybit. So you find the UID, your user ID here. You click on this icon here. So this is the user ID, as you can see here. So you copy it, click on that and copy it, click on that and copy it. Then you take it back to Telegram. So you paste it here, take it back here, paste it. So cross check, make sure that the information your offering is correct. Then you click on save and choose save. You click on this save and choose. So with this I'm done. So on the 24th of listing I will get my airdrop, as you can see here. So basically guys, that is all it is. So follow the steps and withdraw your Empire to Bybit. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Now check out my videos on ICE. I just dropped a video on ICE. Check it out and do all the ICE projects. Bye for now. See you in the next video.